Okay, I got the Magneto impulse coupling hooked back up now, and I seem to have great spark. The spark plug is out right now. There's my test plug there. Kind of hard with one hand. Anyways, the problem is when I got the plug in under compression, I can't seem to bounce it off compression and trip the impulse. It's a little bit too stiff. Also, I can't pull it through compression fast enough where it would probably start. So if I try bouncing it off compression, it won't snap through. But pulling it by hand, it snaps. So, not sure what to do now. Anyways, thanks.